When a person can be completely inside a safeguarded space, preventing the unexpected startup of machinery is a critical aspect. There are various ways to address this challenge, including measures that involve engineering controls. One example is interlock blocking, which consists in securing an interlock in the open position to prevent the machine from restarting. Each person entering the safeguarded space attaches their own padlock onto the interlock or its actuator. The interlock cannot be reset until all padlocks are removed and the guard is closed. Fortress Safety offers mechanical interlock blocking devices for hinged or sliding guards, helping prevent personnel from being trapped and unexpected startup from occurring. When the key is rotated and removed, the guard can open. An interlock blocking plate is driven by the rotation, preventing the guard and interlock from closing. The operator keeps the personnel key while inside the safeguarded space. Additional personnel can apply padlocks to the blocking plate, ensuring all workers inside remain protected. Blocking devices are also available for light curtains. With photoelectric blocking devices, the rotation of a blocking plate interrupts the light curtain beam. These devices can be quickly added to most existing systems. No wiring, no programming required. Interlock blocking provides a simple mechanical way to protect personnel from unexpected startup when entering safeguarded spaces. For more information, visit our website